If you're ready to dominate the open road, check out the 2025 Indian Roadmaster PowerPlus Dark Horse with Powerband audio, available now at iMotorsports St. Pete. Powered by the liquid-cooled PowerPlus engine, this bike delivers smooth, confident performance and effortless long-distance cruising, perfect for Tampa Bay and St. Petersburg riders who love to ride. Its aggressive Dark Horse styling turns heads, while premium touring features like a frame-mounted fairing, spacious seating, and hard saddlebags make every ride comfortable. The standout Powerband audio system brings your music to life with crystal-clear sound, even at highway speeds, so your ride is as immersive as it is thrilling. Right now, take advantage of savings, knock off over $5,000, and all pricing already includes every available factory promotion. Every new Indian from iMotorsports St. Pete comes with our exclusive 1 million-mile powertrain warranty, plus free nationwide delivery. You can even fly in and ride home with our Fly and Ride program. Experience the power, comfort, and sound of the 2025 Indian Roadmaster PowerPlus Dark Horse today. Call iMotorsports St. Pete at 727-339-5840.